This is a really cool 1957 Volkswagen Beetle. 1957, this is the oval window. It's clearly been lowered. It's got a wonderful stance to it. Wonderful ride and drive. Canvas soft top convertible. It is very fast. It's got the 1914 cc stroker Volkswagen engine in it, and it runs really good. Dual Weber carburetors. Check out the interior here. Wonderful upholstery. It's got some custom seats with bolsters. Backside of the soft top there. Really neat interior. Does have a custom shifter, which works really well with the higher horsepower engine. You do have a tachometer. Got your gauges there. Temperature and voltage. It is a 12-volt electrical system. It has a very nice stereo in here. And you can see this gauge is from a little bit newer Volkswagen that has the fuel gauge integrated into it, which is pretty nice. See, they are illuminated there. And the stereo does have a little flip-up cover. Nice sound system. You can see it's got some clip speakers here and the door panels. And we did recently change the oil just 10 miles ago, so that's always nice. You can see you got a subwoofer back here. Looks like a jail audio subwoofer, and you got two more clip speakers. So sounds really nice. Here's your exhaust. Like any car, it does have some flaws. See right here, been touched up a little bit. A little touch up there. It does have some chipping in here, probably from rocks and whatnot, since this Beetle does have some serious horsepower for a Beetle. It is really fast and fun to drive. Same thing on the front here. There are some rock chips here, probably because it has been driven. So keep that in mind when you're looking at this. The windshield is brand new and it's in excellent shape. Another spot right there. So if you're interested in this 1957 Beetle oval window, 1914 stroker engine. Please go to our website. That's carsrememberwhen.com. We'll have 80 plus high resolution pictures, including pictures of the undercarriage. See how neat and clean it is under there as well. And if you would like to know the asking price, please scroll down. There'll be a link in the description, take you right to the ad for this on our website. And if you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Thanks.